Okay, so today I was at Walmart and I had these two white bird of paradises on sale, and I managed to get them for $3 each. I don't know if you can see that, $3 each. So they are white. This one is root bound, so that's going to be fun getting it out of the pot. Always wanted one. Just I didn't want to pay the prices of a well-established one. I tried growing them from seed, and everyone said, "Oh, it's really easy." It's difficult. It needs certain conditions. So anyway, come and stand up, will you? So anyway, what I've read about it is it needs really well draining soil, but it needs fertile soil. So I thought if I mix my own compost, builder sand, perlite, and some potting soil, you know, it's going to be good. Well, it should be good. We're going to try it out anyway. This is a bird of paradise that I started. You know, I've pretty much given up because I had it indoors, I had it on a heat mat, I had it covered, nothing. Just absolutely nothing. I even scarified it so it's like had a little bit of the white seed showing, but it just wouldn't grow. So the last result, I put it outside. I've still got two indoors in which I tried a different way, which is in plastic bag, wrapped in paper towel, keep it moist, and it's been sitting on the heat mat for exactly the same amount of time. And guess what? Nothing. So bird of paradise is not as easy as everyone says to grow. But like I said, for $3, I couldn't turn this down. I mean, look at them. You know, a little bit damaged. I'm going to cut the damaged area off and I'm going to replant them. So let's get on with it. So I've got a 2 gallon. Just put loads of stones and rocks in the bottom, and I'm filling up with the loamy potting mix. Good. This was the not so root bound one. Hopefully it will come out easy enough. Nope. I need to cut that one. There we go. And what I'm just going to do is tease the roots apart. And then just backfill. Now, from what I've read, these plants come from South Africa. They love the heat, they love fertile soil, but they don't want too much water. So from what I read, it was like once a week, deep watering once a week, but this is Florida, so who knows. happy with that. I'm going to give that water now, and we'll see what it looks like in a few months. I'm going to leave this today in the shade. Actually, I'm going to leave it in the shade, part shade, in my pool enclosure for a few days, and then I'm going to put it outside where it gets full sun. One bird of paradise. Oh, that's the white one as well.